In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly enhance light and colors in Luminar 4. We'll start with the AI Enhance tool, sometimes labeled Accent AI. It's designed to automatically improve exposure, contrast, tone, color, and detail with a single slider. Open the Essentials area, locate AI Enhance in the Light section, and gently drag the accent slider to the right. Subtlety is key here. A range around 10 to 30 usually gives you a balanced lift without crushing shadows or oversaturating colors. If the image begins to look flat or overly punchy, pull it back a little until the scene feels natural. Next, shape the light manually so the foundation is solid. Use exposure to set the overall brightness of the photo. Then refine highlights to recover detail in bright areas like clouds or reflections, and open up shadows to reveal detail in darker regions without making them look washed out. Finish with a touch of contrast to add depth, separating lights from darks and giving the image a more dimensional feel. These light controls establish a natural balance before you fine-tune color. Now boost colors in a way that stays believable. In the Color tab, start with vibrance to enrich muted tones while protecting already strong colors and skin. If you need more punch globally, add a small amount of saturation, but be conservative to avoid plastic-looking hues. Still in the Color tab, use Remove Color Cast to neutralize unwanted tints, such as cool shadows or a greenish haze. This feature can slightly darken the image, so if it does, return to exposure for a quick touch-up. For precise control, open Advanced Settings in the Color tab to access HSL, Hue, Saturation, and Luminance. Adjust hue to shift a color family, like nudging blues warmer or cooler for the sky. Use saturation to selectively boost or tame a specific color, and luminance to brighten or deepen that color without oversaturation. For landscapes, it's common to enhance blues and greens here in small, deliberate moves. To add warmth and mood, visit the Landscape Enhancer. The Golden Hour slider brings a soft, sunny glow that gently warms both light and color, excellent for outdoor scenes and portraits. If your photo includes plants or trees, Foliage Enhancer adds life to greens and earthy tones while keeping the rest of the image clean. Finally, consider optional creative touches. Sky Replacement can swap a dull sky and relight the scene to match. Use Horizon Blending and Relight Scene for a convincing match. A subtle vignette darkens edges to guide attention to your subject and makes color and light feel more concentrated.